A cloth or plastic cover fastened to a building or structure and supported by a frame that is used to protect someone or something from the sun or rain. The Cambridge English Dictionary. Awning synonyms: covering, tent, marquee, protection, shade, shelter, door cover. Words related to awning: dome, marquee, pavilion; arbor, bower, pergola; screen, shade, shelter, shield, sunshade, umbrella; canvas, also canvas, fly. Australian Covering Systems, ACS, offers a broad range of outdoor awnings designed and manufactured right here in Melbourne to suit local conditions. For luxury accommodation. For luxury escapes. For luxury hotels. We are ready to produce and supply outdoor awnings in large numbers and in the shortest time. Australian Covering Systems, ACS. 0432395323, ACS2000au@gmail.com.